Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Kastar NP-F550 F570 battery pack. This is a 2-pack setup along with a USB charger, and 3 things you need to know. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Now, I had this sent to me and it's interesting. Now, one would expect to only have about a half battery charge in it. Now, you may have a little less and you may have a little bit more, but always with this kind of battery, make sure that you charge it up fully the first time. And it's easy to tell from the charger when that's happened. Thing number 1, this is a dual port charger that's sent with it with individual port charge status. So if you've really just drained one battery and only partially hit another one, well, one will get ready before the other. So that's a good thing. Thing number 2, you've got a choice of feeding power to this via micro USB or Type-C. I would go with Type-C if you can. That's the growing standard to it, and all that takes is a Type-A to Type-C cable, and then that happens, which that just happens to come with the charger. Thing number 3, different batteries can be charged on this by changing out the plates, but you're going to be the one that has to run down the plates, and this is a common battery charger, so with a little bit of digging you can probably find it, but at this point, if you've got an NP-F type battery, you're not going to want to change the plates or need to, really. Thing number 4, and this is a bonus item, some batteries may be a little loose on the battery plate due to manufacturing variances. So you have to kind of find a way to get things to work with the charger. So I put the batteries and I had this happen with one of the batteries, and it's nothing on Kastar, but I put both the batteries in and then stood everything up with the batteries holding up the charger. So the bottom of the batteries will be on whatever level surface you've got, and the charger will be on top of that, and that should work just fine. If you lay it on its back, it might slide out of position or disconnect in a way where it's not going to charge correctly. So that's just something to think about. Nothing major. I've had this happen with other NP type chargers, so it's nothing that I would say is the fault of the Kastar company. So take a look at this one, see what you think about it. Consider getting one today. I had a couple of NP batteries starting to get a little long in the tooth, and I had to go get something else, so that's why I was looking at this. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.